How to add products to different pages in Shopify. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can add products to different pages in Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is an e-commerce company that enables businesses to create online stores and manage a retail point-of-sale system, in which the platform offers a comprehensive suite of services, including payment processing, marketing tools, shipping solutions, and customer engagement features, making it accessible for both novice and experienced entrepreneurs alike. And also the company serves as a diverse clientele ranging from small business to large corporation like Staples and Netflix. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you can also click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner. And after signing in, you will now be directed on this dashboard or homepage of Shopify. And it will show you in the left side panel in here some of the options that you can start navigating. But now to proceed, just simply go to this online store right here. By clicking on it, we can simply click the Pages option below the online store here to start navigating the Pages section. And upon clicking on it, we'll automatically be directed on this page, where it will show us in here all of the pages in our online store in here. We have here only these contacts. But if you want to start creating a new page, just proceed by clicking the Add Page button on the top right corner in here, in which upon clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed on this page. And from here, all you need to do is to simply fill out the title, the description of this page. But now to proceed adding a products to a different page, you can simply start clicking this Customize button right here under this Themes. Then we will automatically be directed on this Website Editor mode, wherein you can start customizing some of the options. But on the top panel, kindly proceed by clicking these pages or this home page right here, and below it will show you a variety of options to choose from. But in those options, kindly proceed by clicking these pages right here and click Create a Template. Upon clicking this one, on this pop-up window, just simply enter the template. For instance, I'm going to enter here collection. And after entering here the name, just simply click or based on the default page and click Create Template button. And after successfully creating the template, we can simply click on the left side panel under this template section by clicking this Add section right here. And if you also want to hide the name of it, just click this eye icon right here. And to proceed, just click this Add section, and it will show you a variety of options in here to choose from. But in those options, I'm going to choose this featured product. But you also need to make sure that you already have a product on your store. And upon clicking on it, you'll now be able to see in here. While on the left side panel, you can start clicking Select Product and simply choose this product right here and click Select button to proceed. And below, you could also select here or customize the color scheme depending on your preferences, including the background color of it, and many more. You could also show a secondary background if you want to, and even customize the desktop, media, the section padding in here to adjust, and any other option. And as you can see, we've now successfully added here a product to this page. But if you also want to add another page that will be added, another product, just proceed again by clicking on the top panel in here, these pages, and click again this page. And in this pop-up window, just simply select Create a Template. And again, do the same process of entering here the name of this template of pages and click or choose the based on default page and click Create a Template button to proceed. And upon doing so, we will again be directed on this page. And on the left side panel, kindly proceed by clicking this Add section right here and click Featured Product. Now at this point on the left side panel, we're going to select another product. But at this point, I'm going to select this barbershop services. Now as you can see, we have now successfully created two different pages with different product on it. Now on the left side panel, we could also do the same process of customizing the design, layout, and many more. And as you can see on the left side panel, you could also add here a text, title, price, variant picker, and many more. And even add a footer section if you want to. But to save the changes, kindly click the Save button on the top right corner. And which upon doing that, you'll now be able to see here that the changes has now been saved. And again, if you also want to add another navigation on the top panel in here, using the pages that we just created, you can do so by simply going back on this page. And again, on the left side panel, just click this page is under Online Store and kindly click Add Pages on the top right corner to proceed. Then just simply enter here the title of your page that you want. For example, I'm going to enter here Collection. Then below you can even add here a context or content about what your collection or your pages contain in here. So let's say I'm going to enter a product that is offered in our store. Now on the top panel of it, you could also navigate or customize this context, such as to make it bold, italic, underline, and many more. Now after that, just simply select the theme template on the right side panel, and I'm going to choose here default page and click the pages that we just created, which is the collection. Then proceed by clicking the save button in here to proceed. Now as you can see, the pages has now been added or created with the same content that we just created on this page or in this website. Now moving on, just simply go to this navigation section by clicking on it, and from here under menus, kindly proceed by clicking this main menu button to proceed. Since on the main menu, there are only 3 navigation, which is home, catalog, and contact. And if you want to add another navigation option which contain the pages, just click this main menu, and after that you will now be able to be directed on this page. And under this, you can simply click Add Menu Item to proceed. Upon clicking here, just simply enter on the right side panel the name of your menu item. For example, once again, I'm going to enter Collection. And after that, below, just simply search or paste the link. I'm going to click these pages. And after that, it will show in here the result. I'm going to click Collection. Then click Add button to proceed. As you can see, we've now successfully added here a new menu item, and by clicking the Save Menu button, it will show us that the menu has now been updated. So if you go back to this page and simply refresh our online store, or even click View Online Store in here, it will show us that the collection main menu option has now been added. And to see it contain, just simply click on it, and it will show us in here the product that we just add as a featured product in here. So basically from here, you can do the same process of creating a new page and adding a product on it, such as for example under this contact, info, or pages. But you could also go back on this page and create a new one if you want to. And again from here, if you want to create another menu item, just do the same process, clicking this one, and on the right side panel, just enter the name of this menu item that you want to add to your navigation bar or main menu item. And after that, just simply search or paste the link below here. For example, I'm going to enter services, and I'm going to click these pages. However, at this point, only 2 pages that are available, which is contact and collection. But if you created a different kind of pages in here and search at this point, it will show you the result that another main menu option has now been added to your navigation bar. But overall, that is just basically how you can add products to different pages in Shopify. Thank you.